So this is very, very important, and it's very, very, crucial that, we're not just coming on a call, taking the information, and then going to sleep, right?
Right.
We want to actually use this information. When you use this information, I'm telling you guys right now, when you apply this information and you use this information, it's going to change your life. See, the white folks, a lot of the times, we be thinking, oh, white people are just rich. Nah, they do the same thing we do, but they understand credit.
Yep. That's true.
That's all it is. They understand how to leverage the credit. And then what they do, they keep the information amongst each other, right? So now we over here working 80 hours a week, busting our ass, right? For the white man when he took that money from the bank to start the business to hire you.
That's facts.
You see what?
Thank you, Juliet.
No problem. Oh, Fancy. Fancy is on right now. Matter of fact, Fancy, can you just give us some feedback about your business and how you was able to expand your business and just how, you taking full advantage of all of this information and actually applying it, how it was able to help you get to your goals and accomplish your goals that you have for 2025?
Sure, sure. So thank you again for helping me to get to this level. I will be posting in the group my equipment that I've had purchased with the business loan for expanding my business. I was, a injury recovery therapist for the Denver Nuggets and the Broncos. And I actually moved to Atlanta 7 years ago and start my own business. And I wanted to actually have more equipments that cost a lot of money to kind of get my clients on a monthly subscription to have residual income. And I was able to start purchasing my equipment after you had helped with the business loan and with my credit. Also, I'll be posting in the group all the major equipments that I've already purchased. Um, it's gonna be like 8 to 9 rooms of equipment that are in my new space, and I really appreciate it. I'll keep you guys posted. Thank you so much, Julius.
No problem, no problem.
Thank
And
you.
we want to see it.
Wow,
Like
that's
seeing is
amazing.
believing,
That's
right?
amazing.
Right. Everybody's in the group, right? Because this group is brand new. They don't understand, we've really been doing this for a while, right? Seeing is believing, right? People only take action when they see other people start posting. Oh, I just got approved for 100K. Oh, I just got 200K. They want to see that before they
Yep.
start taking action. But I'm telling you guys, this is some credit is not something that's new. It's not something where I'm just waking up one morning. I'm like, hey, look, credit, right? It's been around for a long time, right? You guys already know if you want the cars you want, you need good credit. If you want to live in it, you want to buy a house, you need good credit.
But
Whatever you want to do, you need the credit for it, right?
of
Uh,
course.
you